As the weather warms, you may find your thoughts turning to the beach. A beach day may sound like a lot of fun, but it's also important to protect your skin. Sometimes on a beach day, you may just want to take a break and hang out under the shade for a while. This point is where a beach umbrella comes in really handy for a day at the beach, or even just in your own backyard. The best outdoor umbrella for the beach is a really good accessory to have, one that doesn't collapse in the first wind gust. A model that stands firmly enough in soft sand, and one that can act as a beacon to signal where your other accessories are a great thing. A beach umbrella does this and a lot more. Most importantly, it shades and protects from UV rays, allowing you to suntan without sunburning. But it might as well have style too, especially when they're not always so cheap. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the 7 best beach umbrella to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, BigAdvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 7. Dekero Windproof Beach Umbrella. If wind is your enemy on the beach, Dekero is here to help. Some beaches just seem to be windier than others, so a windproof umbrella is a must-have. Dekero's large air vent design ensures that wind can pass through easily. At the same time, it still offers great sun protection. Speaking of, you have a dual layer cloth here. They're both silver coated as well to provide UPF 50+ protection. This is about as good as it gets. The pole has a 360-degree tilt to ensure the sun never creeps in if you don't want it to. It's height adjustable to give you all the comfort you want on the beach. The aluminum telescoping pole ranges from 28 inches all the way to 48.8 inches. At full height, this towers up at 7 feet 2 inches above the ground. Temperatures in the shade or even the hottest days will be a few degrees cooler. The anchor has 3 points making it look like a pitchfork. Plan it and give it a twist to secure it in place. But remember, this is a windproof umbrella, so they went the extra mile. There are tie-down stakes and the wires for added support. It'll take a serious blast of wind to make this thing move once you have set it up. With the biggest wind vents you're likely to find on any umbrella, this is a great choice. Number 6. Blissun Beach Umbrella. A lot of beach umbrellas sold these days aren't worth the shipping costs. They collapse in moderate winds or end up flying away due to poor anchorage. One of the best-selling portable beach umbrellas in the market today is the Blissun 7.2 feet portable beach umbrella with carry bag. Available in various colors, it stands at 7.2 feet with a rust-free steel pole. It is known for being affordable yet durable and offering ultraviolet protection factor 50+ protection. It is good for patios as well as the beach, but it doesn't seem to be destined to join the ranks of discarded umbrellas. It's designed to withstand ample wind by sea and provide good coverage, all in a smart carry bag to amp up portability. It is flexible and can be adjusted easily thanks to its tilt mechanism. With an air vent design, it won't easily collapse or fall over when it gets windy. Number 5. Tommy Bahama Beach Umbrella. An absolutely conventional beach umbrella that does what it's supposed to do is not always easy to find. The Tommy Bahama Beach Umbrella is a reputable name in the sandy trenches of leisure, and this parasol aims to deliver a tilting, easy setup solution at an affordable price. The 7.5-foot beast is a force to be reckoned with. Its soft exterior might give you an impression that it's not as practical and durable as other beach umbrellas, but it's in fact the opposite. You can rely on the Tommy Bahama Beach Umbrella to last you a long time if you take proper care of it. From the optimal height to the high UPF rating, there is not much this umbrella is short of. You won't struggle to install it, nor you will find it hard to carry it to and from the beach. The polyester carrying bag it comes with might not be the most comfortable, but it does the job. Aside from being famous for its tilted mechanism, this beach umbrella has scored high on the performance scale due to its robust frame composed of an aluminum pole and fiberglass ribs. It allows the umbrella to stay put in moderately windy conditions and not be a burden on you to keep a close eye on it. Number 4. Wondershade Portable Umbrella. Hate dealing with those drill bit anchors? Wondershade has your back. With a tripod-based design, you don't have to bury anything in the sand and enjoy the shade. The umbrella gives you a 50 UPF protection from the sun, but at the same time, the portable base means you're never stuck in one place. This design can travel easily up and down the beach, or to any outdoor event. It can even be a patio umbrella. And if you really prefer the auger anchor, it switches over in just seconds. Even better than the base is all the extra Wondershade included. If you're planning a whole day at the beach, you want this with you. There are attached cup holders to keep your beverage out of the sand. It has towel hooks for your beach blankets or bags to keep them high and dry as well. There are accessory collars to add even more stuff if you want. The frame is alloy steel, so it's tough and durable. It can stand up to all the stuff hanging off of it, and a step fan. With the base giving it stability, it takes quite a bit to knock this over. The telescoping pole also extends from 3 feet all the way up to 8 feet. And there's also a tilt mechanism to keep the sun out of your face at any angle. Setup is quick and easy and only takes a minute or two. There's a carry bag to help you transport it when it's not set up. Number 3. AMMSUN Beach Umbrella. If you're looking for a durable beach umbrella that will remain anchored in the sand, you have probably heard of the AMMSUN 6.5 feet beach umbrella. The AMMSUN 7-feet beach umbrella is one of the most popular beach umbrellas today. It comes with a wide canopy so it can shade large groups from the sun. Designed for use at the beach, your backyard garden, patio, or any outdoor setting, it delivers ultraviolet protection 50+ protection. Essentially, it blocks 98% of the sun's UV rays. Arguably, it is one of the most durable beach umbrellas you can find in the mid-range price category. It has an air vent design and fiberglass strips to ensure wind resistance. Additionally, it has a separate sand anchor that makes it easy to anchor on the ground. It also features a tilt mechanism that allows you to adjust the canopy's angle for optimal sun protection. Number 2. Sport-Brella Premiere XL. Sport-Brella knows how to make an umbrella that the whole family can make use of. Their almost beach tent design offers a great protection for many people at once. It's like a mini cabana. The umbrella is designed on a tilt on purpose and features closed-in sides. Instead of worrying about it being balanced above you, it lies back. In that way, it offers protection similar to how a beach umbrella tent works. Other beach umbrellas don't offer nearly thus much coverage. Just sit your beach chair under the umbrella canopy and enjoy. The canopy is a generous 9 feet to offer maximum protection. Of course, it also has UV protection as well. It features a screw-in anchor and also tie-down stakes to secure the sides. Not only is it able to protect you from the sun or rain, it offers privacy as well. If you'd prefer not to have everyone at the beach staring at you, this is a great choice. The fabric is resistant to fading and moisture. It offers UPF 50 protection as well. The frame is powder steel coated. It's strong and reliable. On windy days, the umbrella actually has zippered windows. You can allow the wind to pass right through instead of having it blow away. Number 1. BeachBUB All-in-One Beach Umbrella. BeachBUB All-in-One Beach Umbrella is endorsed by the American Lifeguard Association. Unlike other beach umbrellas, you aren't required to twist the BeachBUB pole into the sand or dig a hole in an attempt to keep it in place. Instead, the BeachBUB All-in-One can be weighted with sand, so it sits atop the sand. Having been tested in winds up to 35 km/h, the innovative stabilizing method helps keep the umbrella in place and prevents it from becoming a hazard to other beachgoers. This beach umbrella promises to protect you from dangerous exposure and stay upright. With the UPF 50+ that BeachBUB's All-in-One Beach Umbrella is equipped with, you've got nothing to worry about. This is the highest rating available that, along with the rich blue color of the accessory, makes it almost sunburn proof. If there's one reason why the BeachBUB Beach Umbrella is worth the investment, is that it's made from high quality materials that stands the test of time. But this isn't where the perks end. The setup and the takedown don't take long either. For many, lounging on the beach means fun in the sun. But if you also want to avoid a painful sunburn, investing in a beach umbrella may be a necessity. Then again, beach umbrellas can be a total pain, often heavy to lug around and sometimes taking flight like a parasail device. However, getting the best beach umbrella is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.